God's timing is not your timing. His thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are His ways your ways. Do not let your heart be troubled. God is faithful and His promises will never fail. Your circumstances may lead you to think that God has forgotten you, but do not fear. He is always by your side. Just have a little more faith, and whatever you hope for will come to be. You may try to plan for your future. Sometimes you may make plans or set goals you want to accomplish in future, but nothing is happening. You cannot see any progress. You may hear voices in your head telling you it's too late or it's never gonna happen. But shake yourself up. Ignore all these voices, for God is in control. Your plans may fail, but do not get desperate. Do not be discouraged. Just know that these were not God's plans. Your life is in the right hands. Your life is in safe hands. God knows the plans He has for you, and God's plans are always perfect. The future is as certain as God's own promises. Learn to walk by faith. God in His own timing will exalt you. Humble yourself under His mighty hand. Is anything too hard for the Lord? You may feel that everything is working against you, but do not be blinded by life's challenges. In the fullness of time, God will come through for you. Be patient and keep praying. It may seem like God is taking too long to answer you, but remember, God is not constrained by time. He is the beginning and the end. He is the Alpha and the Omega. He is neither early nor late, but always on time for your every need. Learn to put your trust in Him, for God's timing is always perfect.